Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the router quickly. Log in with admin credentials or open the vendor app. Locate the router IP if needed and back up current settings so you can undo changes. Next, find the device you want to block by checking the connected devices list. Copy its MAC address or assigned IP. Doing this first saves time later and prevents accidental lockouts, so confirm the exact identifier before moving on to blocking actions. You now create the rule that stops the connection. In the router interface, open MAC filtering or access control and add the device MAC to the deny list, or create an ACL that blocks the device IP. If MAC spoofing is a concern, set a firewall rule blocking that IP or the relevant ports. For temporary needs, configure a schedule so the rule only applies at certain times. Once done, save and apply settings so the router enforces the block immediately. You finish by verifying the block. Check the client list to see the device offline and attempt a controlled access test from that device. If it still connects, reboot the router and release/renew the device DHCP lease so the old address isn't reused. Make sure no other allow rules or guest networks bypass your block and recheck the MAC or IP you entered for typos. If problems persist, revert the backup, adjust the rule settings, and try a different blocking method, such as a stricter firewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.